Are you still figuring out how to remove the broken helicopter in your helipad? Well, the stinger will not do the answer. There is an effective way even the helicopter will explode. See, the stinger did not even do the work. Step 1. Go down. Step 2. Go to drown bay. Step 3. Go sit. Step 4. Go spawn a missile drone. We are not gonna shoot it because it will not work. Now, you're gonna ram it. See, just ram it and it will explode. So clear now, you can spawn new helicopter. Now, you can spawn a fresh and new helicopter. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe, it helps a lot. Don't worry, I'll make few more tips. Go to comment section and comment a tip. And I'll make video of it with shout out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in next video.